Hello and a huge welcome back to the day 10 live challenge. We made it to the double digits. 10 days ago, the idea of doing this for a month felt huge. But look at us now. Every day we show up, we prove the power of consistency and shared commitment. So thank you once again for being the part of this commitment and being the part of this community. Your shares, invitations are helping us spread this message of efficiency and new tech power to everyone who needs it. So far, we have tackled big issues like overload, repetition, figuring out your priorities. Today, we are taking up on a problem that often causes all those other headaches, the problem of data. When I talk about data, I mean the fountain of numbers, spreadsheets, and reports that your business generates every day. So, most small businesses and professionals are drawing in data, and we have sales figures, social media stats, website traffic reports, and spending charts. And here is a major pain point: having a lot of data does not mean having clear answers. We often spend hours collecting the numbers only to at them and feel completely confused. So, this paralysis of having raw data without clear, actionable insights is a massive failure of efficiency and a major source of stress in modern work. So, the core issue with raw data is that it actually requires manual human translation. You might have a massive spreadsheet showing customers' behavior, but to make a business decision, you have to manually filter it, compare columns, calculate averages, and look for the trends. And all that manual work is prone to the inconsistency we discussed on day 4. Worse, if you don't have the time or the statistical training, that rich information sits unused, essentially wasting of the time and the money spent collecting it in the first place. So this leads to decision making based on gut feeling or fear rather than based on concrete facts provided by your own numbers. So for a business that wants to grow, making critical decisions about where to spend money, who to hire, or what product to launch based on guesswork is incredibly risky and prevents the stable progress. So you need a system that can absorb complexity and immediately deliver simplicity, turning thousands of numbers into one clear sentence, and that tells you exactly what to do next. This is beautiful, simple function of AI analytics and data summarization. You don't need to hire a data scientist to decipher your numbers anymore. Modern AI tools are built to handle the complexity and extract the simple conclusion for you. Imagine you have a 3-year-old sales spreadsheet with hundreds of rows. Instead of manually shifting through it, you can feed that entire report into an AI and ask a simple, natural language question. Based on this data, which product should I prioritize marketing efforts for next month? The AI instantly scans all the figures, identifies trends, calculates profitability, and returns a concise, easy to read answer. It removes the entire step of manual analysis and gives you the simple, actionable knowledge right away. So, this is the ultimate form of delegation. You can delegate the tedious, complex work of translation to the machine, and you keep the high level human work of making the final decision. AI turns your massive pile of raw data from a source of confusion into a crystal clear roadmap for success. So here is your simple actionable challenge for day 10, focused on conquering your data. I want you to look at your computer today and find one report. It can be a spreadsheet, an analytics dashboard, or a summary sales that you know is important, but that you often ignore because it feels too complicated to understand. So your task is to identify the single most important business question you wish that report could answer. For example, which marketing channel gives you the highest return, or where are my customers dropping off? So just by framing that question, you're getting ready to use AI to command your numbers and start getting the simple answer you need. So tomorrow for day 11, we will talk about the problem of learning, the difficulty of training new people or constantly learning new skills, and how AI can make knowledge sharing instant and simple. So thank you so much for joining me for day 10. Please comment below and tell me one question you would ask an AI about your own data if you knew it could answer perfectly. I'll see you tomorrow for the day 11. Thank you so much.